If you're wondering how to edit underwater photos on iPhone, or if you have an Android phone, doesn't matter, from this to this in less than 5 minutes, and you're gonna keep watching this. I've been creating my underwater content with my iPhone for the past 3 years, and my underwater shots were recently featured on Apple. Yeah, that was crazy to do. Anyways, today I'm gonna show you exactly how I edit my iPhone underwater photos. I promise you it will be very simple and quick, so let's go. So the editing app I'm using for color grading is Lightroom Mobile, and this works on iPad, iPhone, and Android phones. I do use the Pro version because you get to access all the functions on the app. And by the way, the photo I'm gonna demonstrate today is shot on an iPhone 16 Pro. And if you're wondering how I take my underwater shots with my iPhone, make sure to check out my last video. So the photo we're gonna edit today is actually a screenshot from this video. This one. If you have a photo that you want to edit, that would be much better. I usually take a lot of underwater videos and I will make screenshots and then turn them into photos. So for example, this one, I will go to the part where I think, maybe here, I think it looks cute enough. And I will make a screenshot, save it. And then you go back to your album. Usually I crop it to 9:16. You can post on TikTok and Instagram story. If later on you want to post it on your Instagram feed, you can also crop it again to 4:5. Now we just leave it 9:16. Click done. And now let's open the Lightroom app. Select the photo. Usually the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna correct the white balance. By doing that, you're gonna click Edit, Color, and then choose this little tool here. You're gonna select the part where you feel like it's supposed to be white, what I think is somewhere here, and then you click yes. So now the photo looks so purple, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. You're gonna click color mix, you're gonna drag the purple and the pink color lower. Something like that. I moved the purple one, I moved the pink one. Now you click yes. And the second step is we're gonna create into maskings. You're gonna click this button, click plus, select subject. Lightroom Mobile selected automatically. So now I have this person selected. I will click yes. And then I'm gonna create a second mask for the background. I'm gonna select background. Click yes. So now look, we have one for the mermaid, one for the background. First, we're gonna edit the background. You're gonna select the masking for the background and you're gonna select color. Starting from here, it's basically you're gonna have to move back and forth and you're gonna change a little bit everything. And I'm just gonna quickly show you what I usually do here. So I will make the color a bit less warm. Something like that. Normally, I will do the exposure a bit lower and the contrast a bit higher and black a little bit lower. White and shadows, everything, like I would probably go back and do it again later. So something like that. And you go to color again. I feel like don't want it too blue. So something like that, click yes. And then we're gonna select the mermaid and then edit the mermaid. Select color. And then for the mermaid, usually I will make it a bit warmer, put the temperature a bit higher, the tint a bit higher as well. And then you click yes, click masking, select mermaid and fix the light. So usually contrast a little higher, white a little higher, black a little lower. And now I feel like it's a little too red for me. And you just kind of like go back and forth and then make it in a way that you feel like it makes sense to you. So now I even go back to make the saturation a bit lower because I feel like it was too warm. So something like that. And then you go to the effects. Usually you should do it for the main subject because here when you make the texture, clarity and the haze, a bit higher, you're gonna bring back some details from the main subject, which will make the person pop out a bit more. And click yes. So now we can already have a look how it looks like. So this is the photo it looks like before, and this is the photo right now. And now we are going back to edit the whole image. So by selecting edit, gonna go to light, usually a little bit lower exposure, black color. I will make saturation a bit lower, something like that. Color mix. So here you can continue fix the color a little bit until you feel like it makes sense for you. I usually don't like to make the water too purple, so yeah, now I think I'm satisfied with my result, and I will just quickly show you this is how it looks like before and this is how it looks like now, just for like a few minutes of quick editing. I click export, save copy to device, and now you have it. Just to be clear that this is just a very quick tutorial, shows you how I edit my underwater photos on iPhone. And if you want to take it to a professional level, of course, there's a lot more you can do. I'm a content creator. I want my photo look natural, clean, and easy to make on phone. And to edit and color grade underwater videos on iPhone, it's a little bit different because there's more limitations on this app. But to be honest, most of my posts are videos. So I will show you how exactly I edit my underwater videos on iPhone in my next video. And let me know in the comments if you have more questions. If you want to know how I film underwater with my iPhone, check out my last video. And if you think the video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.